Sagutan natin tong problem na to sa HGE CE Board April 2025. A rigid gate of flood control structure in a river is 6 meters wide by 4 meters high and weighs 10 kilonewton. With its longer edge horizontal, it is moved up and down with its short edges sliding in vertical channel guides. Evaluate the force in kilonewton needed to raise the gate when the surface of water is 2 meters above its top edge. There is no water on the downstream side of the gate. The coefficient of friction between the gate and the channel guides is 0.10. Neglect the buoyant effect of the water on the gate and weight of the cables connected to the gate. So, pinapahanap sa atin dito is yung force na kailangan natin para ma-raise yung gate natin. So, ang first na consider natin dito is yung hydrostatic force. So, ito yung P. So, kasi ito yung force sa tubig o yung dagat. So, kapag pinipress yung gate natin, magre-react yung channel guide natin dito. So, kaya magkakaroon ng normal reaction. Then, kapag inihila natin pataas yung gate natin, so, habang ito ay pinipress ng hydrostatic force natin, so, magkakaroon ito ng reaction dito, yung guide natin at saka yung gate natin. So, kaya magkakaroon ito ng frictional force pababa. So, simple lang, no? Para makuha tong force natin na hinahanap. So, you just apply the equilibrium equation, which is yung summation forces vertical equals to 0, upward, positive. So, force, positive, minus yung weight ng gate natin, tapos yung frictional force equals to 0. So, yung ano natin dito is dalawa. Since may value naman itong weight, which is 10 kilonewton. So, ang next na makukuha natin dito is yung frictional force. So, di ba yung formula ng frictional force natin is mu times normal reaction. So, ang normal reaction dito is kung ano yung value dito sa hydrostatic force is yun din yung normal reaction natin. Bali kukuha tayo ng hydrostatic force. So, yung formula niyan is yung gamma times yung h bar times yung cross-sectional area ng gate. So, bali 9.81 times yung h bar natin is yung centroid ng gate natin papuntang yung 2m above water. Bali, half sa 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Kaya yung h bar natin is 4. Then ang cross-sectional area natin is 6 by 4 meters. 6 times 4. So, yung value ng P natin or yung hydrostatic force natin is 941.76 kilonewton. So, substitute natin. So transpose natin itong dalawa, yung weight at saka friction force, para makuha natin yung force na kailangan natin. So, equals weight plus frictional force. So, bali force equals sa weight natin kilonewton plus frictional force natin. Yung coefficient friction is 0.1 times yung P or equals to normal force or normal reaction. So, 941.76 kilonewton. F is equals to 104.17 kilonewton. So, ito na yung sagot sa problem. So, actually guys, no, itong problem na to lumabas na to sa November 2018, no? Pero yung given dito is ang kaibahan lang nila is yung coefficient friction. Bali, noong November 2018 is 0.15 yung coefficient friction nila. So, that's it.
What the dog doing?